Welcome back to Quizilla Zone. Guess the General Knowledge Quiz Challenge. Let's get started. What is the largest country in the world by area? Russia. What is the deepest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Which city is located on two continents? Istanbul. What is the most populous city in the world? Tokyo. Who was the first emperor of Rome? Augustus. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. In what year did World War II end? (1945). What is the boiling point of water at sea level? (100°C). Which organ in the human body is responsible for filtering blood? Kidneys.
Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.